Today I'm going to share 7 ways to make your home look expensive. Hi, I'm Arwa. I love sharing my design experience to make your home lovely on a budget. I have a big family, and as any host knows, when friends and family comes over, you want everything to be perfect for them. And I know I'm like that, so here are my go-to tips. Size always matters. Imagine a large sofa in a small room. Feels cramped, right? Now think about tiny chairs in a large space. They kinda look lost. Balance is key. Here's how to make sure your design is balanced. Start by measuring your room's dimensions. This will give you a clear idea of what can fit. When shopping, avoid impulse buys. It's easy to get excited about a piece of furniture, but if it doesn't fit, it's a mistake. Set up your sofas and chairs so people can talk easily and walk around comfortably. In the dining area, table is the star. Choose one that's the right size for your space and needs. If you need a bigger table for events, consider a modular one. It takes less space and can be extended when you need it. Don't forget about the flow of the room. Arrange furniture in a way that it doesn't block the paths or doorways, making the space feel open and welcoming. This is especially important in small spaces where every bit of room matters. Remember that scale and proportion defines how a room will feel. So get it right and your space will be inviting. Now let's explore furnishing and decor on a budget. I like beautiful homes, but I love having money in my pocket more. Here's how I get both. I do not miss out on second-hand furniture. Thrift store, garage sales, and online marketplaces are great sources. Shop smartly, wait for sales, and use coupons. Compare prices online and in store. Timing your purchases can save you a lot. Back in Dubai, thrift is not that big. There I used to visit places like Dragon Mart, where you can find great things at the prices of a thrift. Now that I'm living in America, going thrifting has become one of my favorite weekend hobbies. But even if you have a lot of garage sales and thrift stores around you, don't get carried away. Remember, interior design is about making choices and not getting too much. Think about multifunctional furniture, for instance, sofa cum bed. It serves two purposes. It's practical and saves space. Look for pieces that offer storage, like ottomans or coffee tables. Get creative with DIY projects. You don't need to be a craft expert. Simple projects can have a big impact. Try making your own pieces. Check out my last project, which turned out really great and chic. Decorating on a budget is about creativity. By focusing, you can create a beautiful space without spending a lot. Remember, less can be more. So if I want to make my home look more expensive, I often look for things to remove. Here's how I declutter my space. Start with one room at a time. Sort items into 3 categories: keep, donate, and discard. This helps you make your decision faster. Trust me, it's not easy, but you have to do it. Use storage solution that works for you. Baskets, bins, and shelves, they can make a big difference. Label clearly so that you know that where things are going. It's easy to maintain a tidy space when everything has a place. Decluttering does not have to be overwhelming. Break it down into small tasks and celebrate your progress along the way. A little effort each day makes a big difference. Maintaining a clutter-free home reduces stress and saves time looking for lost items. Your home will feel inviting and peaceful. This leads us to keeping the kitchen clean and organized. In Dubai, kitchens are always closed. This was an adjustment when I came to America, but now that I have gotten used to it, I feel like open kitchens bring family together. But having an open kitchen also means that you have to work harder to keep your kitchen clean. Clear jars and bins makes it easier to find things, and putting labels to them add order and saves time. Use shelves and drawers smartly. Hooks on walls can add pots and pans. It's better than having them spread around. IKEA is a great place to find organizing options. Daily cleaning keeps the kitchen fresh. Wipe the counters after each meal and sweep the floor regularly. With quick cleanups, we can prevent bigger messes. Have a place for everything. For instance, keep utensils in drawers or jars and things you use frequently within reach. It makes cooking smoother and faster. And on top of everything, clutter-free space is also safer. I feel like simple changes help. Like sticking your notes on side of the fridge. I stick all of my follow-ups and daily reminders there. It's great, but after sometimes it looks like clutter. So don't forget to regularly tidy up those too. A well-organized kitchen saves time and reduces stress. I feel like cooking becomes more enjoyable when you know where everything is. It also improves the look of your space. An organized kitchen looks more tidy and appealing. Now that you have organized, decluttered, and tidied, look around. Do you see any empty spaces? Empty spaces make your room look cheap. First, consider the focal point. This could be a fireplace, a large window, or a piece of art. Arrange your furniture around this feature to draw attention and create a sense of harmony. Use textures to add depth. Mix soft fabrics with hard surfaces, like a fluffy rug next to a sleek coffee table, and keep a plant right next to it. This will bring color and life to the room. Lighting is important as well, like adding night lamp next to the bed changes how your room looks. You can add personal touches to your space such as family photos, travel magnets, or even your favorite books. These personal touches makes a house feel like a home. Though keep in mind that decorating a home takes time, experiment with different arrangements and styles and see what works best for you. And remember, Rome was not built in a day. You can change your room by just moving the furniture. Think about how you use the room daily. Does the current layout work for you? If not, then it's time to try something new. Start with the biggest pieces. Shift your sofa, bed, or even dining table to create a fresh focal point. Next, think about flow. Make sure you can move easily from one area to another. This makes the room feel open and welcoming. Balance your room by not keeping all the large pieces on one side. Spread them out and use smaller items to fill the gaps. This creates harmony. Try grouping furniture by placing sofas and chairs together to make cozy conversation areas. Add a small table between them for drinks and books, and use rugs to define spaces within a room. You can place one under your seating area to bring the pieces together, but make sure it's big enough to fit all the furniture legs, which will help anchor the layout. Finally, think about the view. Arrange furniture to take advantage of windows and fireplaces. Position your sofa to face the best view, making the space more enjoyable. Speaking of views inside your space, let's talk about paint. Choose neutral paint colors for versatility, and they look premium as well. Think about shades like white, grey, or beige. These colors make your room feel open and airy. And also, it's easy to find deals on neutral paint colors. Check your Home Depot or even online for deals. Neutral colors are timeless and don't go out of style, meaning you won't have to repaint often. They also help highlight furniture and decor. Neutral colors are great for small spaces. Light neutral shades can make a room feel bigger by reflecting light. This is very useful in apartments and houses which have smaller rooms. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more interior design tips on a budget, and I'll see you next time.